what we are going to do now is go over some logical operators. So go ahead and open up a new Colab window. It's colab.research.google.com and click on the new notebook link. Okay, go ahead and title it Logical Operators. And first of all, what do I mean? What is a logical operator? Well, here, how about this? If I put in true, okay, go ahead and do this with me. Put in true. Now press Shift Enter. Now, what do you think you're going to get back? I think it's pretty obvious. You get true. But what about not true? Again, I think you know what that's going to be. So press Shift Enter, you get false. Okay, well, note that not in Python is a keyword, which is why it's in blue. And a lot of logical operators are. So what about true or false? So what do you think that should be? True or false? So that evaluate to true or false. Okay, the logical operators are all going to end up with true or false outputs. Well, it's true because there's one true. Okay, what about true and false? Okay, think about what you think it should be. Go ahead and press Shift Enter, and you can see that it is in fact false. These are all standard logical operators. I'm not going to go through all the possibilities like true and true, false and false. I think you know what those outputs are going to be and what they should be. What we've got here is the not operator, which reverses true or false, or which is true if one of them is true, and which is true if both are true. Both that to be true. I mean, if you have false and false, it's not like, oh, that's true because both are false. Everything's false. So in fact, it's false. Okay. There's another cool one called in. Okay, so how about this? 3 in, I'm going to put a list here that includes 3 and 5. Well, is 3 in the list? Certainly, right? So the expectation is that it is true. In is a really nice keyword in Python. So it evaluates to true. Whereas if I check is 2 in the list, 3, 5, press Shift Enter, then that certainly evaluates to false. Okay, so in is another really nice keyword. We've used it before, like for I in range, and then ask it to do something, but it's also used, for Booleans, for checks. Okay, so those are just some basic logical operators. I want to be sure that you know. And we've also covered, like, just to reemphasize, I guess, review, 3 equivalent to 3.0, that is also a true. And we also did the not equals. Is 3 not equal to 5? Well, yeah, right, so that's true. So you can use the equals and non-equals operators to check like that. I call this equivalent, like is 3 equivalent to 3.0, and is 3 not equivalent to 5. Okay, so make use of those, keep them in mind. You'll see them here and there. I know you've seen some quite a bit already. Just want to try to get the bulk of them in one place for you.